I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to adjust your security settings on Vanguard 2026, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Vanguard website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security option. Click on it to access your current security settings. Step 4. Update your preferences. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, you may need to log out and log back in to confirm that your changes have been applied. This ensures everything is set correctly. Remember, if you enable two-factor authentication, you'll need to have your phone handy for verification. Happy securing!